Hello. I think we're live. Yeah. Hello, hello. Say hi in the chat if you're here, please. La Fabricio. Hello. How are you? How are you? Welcome. This is your first time here, I think. I think I haven't seen you before here. Today we're going to talk about delivery app, everything there is to know. Everett, hi. Hello. Who was here in yesterday's class? I have this. I now know what I did wrong in the app. I forgot to add something in the search and replace tool. Okay, Fabricio, welcome. This is your first time. I hope it's not the last one. You're going to learn everything there is to know about ordering here in these classes. Harold, hi. Here's Harold. Yes. Hello, Harold. How are you? Welcome. You can hear me well, right? Remember that if you have any questions, do not forget to type them in the chat. I will make some time at the end of this lesson to answer everything that you ask, okay? Excellent. 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 Yes, Harold. Welcome. Oh, really, Everett? What was it? The IDs? You were missing two IDs in your editor? That's very cool that you solved it already. Yes, two IDs. Okay, amazing. I'm so happy it worked already. Now you can continue. Yep. It happens most of the time. There are just a few things that we have to adjust as long as the launching process is coming along and testing and everything. But I'm glad it worked already. We're going to start in 1 minute with today's class. Everything there is to know about the delivery app. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, let's get this started, guys. So, hello, my name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Odrin. I'm the VP of Marketing. Today we're going to talk about how the delivery app works, how to push it into the stores, a few things about the tracking that is involved, the the power ups that it has, like signatures, comments inside the orders, and what is the flow, where does the delivery app begins to work, like in the process, in the ordering process. And if you have any questions about the lesson that I'm giving today, please write them in the chat. I will answer everything as soon as I finish the explanation of this subject. Okay. If it is not related, I will. If the question is not related to today's topic, I will leave those at the end, and I will also answer them. If I don't have the question, I will channel you to the person who has it. So don't worry about it. You are here for answers. Okay, let's get this started. As you can see, I am going first to go in my builder. In my builder, it'll be very similar for you when you get the apps by default. Okay, I will open the delivery app. Here, as you can see in your builder, you will find a lot of settings, images, colors, and a lot of more things. Okay, let me make myself like this and like that. I think this is enough. Here you will find your delivery app, the name of your app, the package of your app, and the version of your app. I will stop here in the delivery app name and package. So there's been a few cases on where the names of the apps are already taken by someone else. This is not a big of a deal, okay? However, the package, it is this package most of of the time is it doesn't get duplicated. However, it is very important for you to check if there's uh, not any other app that includes the same package as your app does. It's very it's very easy to know when you're at the building process, when you're here in your builder, in the building process, and everything is set up. When you click build test, the builder will gather some information. And as I explained you before, you have to create the bundles, the certificates before you start creating your apps. Let me show you what I mean. You have to get in the developers.apple.com um, uh, dashboard, and then when you go in identifiers, you will add this. This has to be added before you start clicking the buttons in the builder for testing or for building the pro apps. Okay. As you can see, we already have here the delivery app. I think it's driver. No, ordering. Okay, this is the one that we have for our sorry, just double click. This is the one that we have for our um, app. And if I want to create a new one, let's say for example, if you were intended to create the new app and you are using the same ID that I want to use right here, delivery app test. Uh, let's see. It is going to say this. If you already know that this package or bundle won't work, or identifier, it has different names. This won't work at the time of creating your apps. You will have to change it, right? I mean, we don't recommend you to change it a lot of times. It is only you have only you can only make it once, and you can stick to it in the delivery app all the time. I say this because in ordering, we create a thing called license driver key, which is a key that will allow your driver app to get a better performance on sending location to your customer or to your business owner or to whoever. Okay, we gave this for free because this is a plugin. We have to purchase the key and then give it to you in your apps. As you can see, this well designed magic, the tracking and everything. Remember that if you put your name, your bundle name like that, and it is accepted by Apple and everything, you will have to leave it like that forever. Uh, it doesn't matter. You won't see your customers won't see it anywhere. It's just like an identifier for you and for this license key. If you want to change in the future, it'll have a cost of $200, 199. So make sure that you are aware of this. So in the future, you don't have any issues. Okay. This is the version of your app, the description, the constants that you use in your app. Your license key goes here. As you can see, this is the one that we are talking about. So before we jump into this setup, create a ticket, ask for support if the key that you are going to use is okay, if the bundle, the package or the bundle is the same thing. It's okay, so you don't have any issues in the future. That is very important. One signal ID, which is something that ever was having some issues in the past. You have to add this in your ordinator. I will show you where. Your ordinator and in your builder. So the driver gets the notifications whenever there's an incoming order or a incoming message or an status change or anything regarding the driver status push notifications. And yeah, it was. I'm so glad it is not anymore. So you have to make sure so this doesn't happen to you like ever. You have to add that one signal here, one signal key here, and make sure it matches this one and make sure it matches the one in your one signal account. One signal account is push notification services that I have explained it before in another class. So make sure to take a look at that video, okay? Orders limit. So if you want to see in the delivery app, driver delivery app, that setup is how many orders you want to see here. This is the demo of the delivery app in the browser. Forced to arrive to business status. So when the driver is in the business like this, let's say we will accept this order and this one, you can put as that button to be clicked forcefully, okay, for the drivers to not miss informing the store that they have arrived. And then you have just a few extensions. The delivery app does not have a lot of extensions like the ordering app or the business app. Well, the business app have about five also. These extensions are very straightforward. You can add notes, add photos, add signatures, and support email and a multi-language. These are added in your messages feature, which is right here at the top. If you have the delivery app, you already have all those enabled, okay? As you can see in the packages, also let me show you the packages for you to know which package includes this app and the features and everything. So it starts in the ordering plus delivery bundle, okay? I will go down here, I will go here, and as you can see, it is included here, the delivery app. And let's see what affects like the power-ups. Yes, we're alive. This is not related. Auto assignment driver settings. This is a power-up sold for that package. However, you get it in the platinum. This will allow you to auto assign orders to drivers. Okay, that's entirely different subject. Uh, what else we have regarding the drivers app? Okay, there's nothing else. So everything is included in your apps when you get it in your ordering plus delivery bundle. Okay, you will get something like this. I mean, you can change colors, icons, and everything. I will explain you in a while. Here in messages, you will be able to write to the customer and to the business owner and to the administrator of the full platform. In this case, well, for you, uh, this is a text from the driver. When you click here, when you type here, it'll be sent to the super admin, the business owner, and the customer real time, which is 43 is this order. So we're going to go and open it. 43 is in process here. As you can see, this is the text from the driver that we just created. The full solution of ordering is connected with sockets, so everything is sent almost instantly. It's just like a millisecond of difference between the app to send it to the dashboard and so on. Okay, so this is a text from the super admin to the driver only. So if I just uncheck this, the driver is going to be the only one to receive this message. So for example, he will get it here. However, if I go like this is only for the customer, only for the customer. And also I send the signature and then a picture. Well, you can take pictures in your device. When you put in your device, it'll show the camera so you can take pictures. This is just more like for evidence, okay, for your records, and if there's any issue in the future with that specific order, you can go here and take a look at what's happening and everything. As you can see, the superadmin did not get delivered these messages because we only sent this to the customer. This customer is the demo. So if I go in the demo, I will log into the demo right here, the customer demo. Or is it demo? I don't know how to say it. So I go in my orders. 43 is this one. As you can see, I have the notification here that I have a message. So if I click in view orders, messages, I get all this. Filter it only for the customer. Okay, there are a few things that the super admin or business owner doesn't need to know, like the I don't know, I'm here, I am in my neighbor's house or something like that. The customer can just type the driver and that's it. Okay. So, Momo, is the system? Yes, it is, but I will answer your questions at the end, Momo. It is. So, let's go back in the builder so we can see all these. The support email extension means that the driver can click here in this support button, and in the device, let me show you, let me plug in my phone. In the device, it will open my email app for me to send a message to my super admin. Delivery. Okay, let me show you my phone. Quick player file movie. Okay, you can see my phone. This is my phone. Okay, let me put it like here. Okay, we'll look for my app, the one in the demo. I will look for delivery app B4. So this is the one I need. I will download this one. It is downloading right now. Should take just a few seconds. In the meantime, I will show you the images. and how they look in my iOS device. This is an iPhone. Okay. Okay. Here everything is by default, meaning that when you get your apps, it will look like this, and then you start changing. Right now, everything is default. The background, the homepage logo, everything is by default, and you will see it that way. The delivery icon is the one that shows in your map when you're moving. These are the tutorial images that show before you start in the homepage of the app, which will explain you how it works. I will open my delivery app. Allow this. It's very important for the drivers to allow every notification that the systems, the cell phones are telling you to allow. Okay. These are the tutorials. As you can see, these are very clean. My screen is very big, so we'll have to improve the size of the text. But as you can see, it's very clear. It says how it works, explains you a little bit about how to get some more information, and so on. So I will click done. I will log it with my driver. One more important thing here is that if you don't have the ordering plus delivery bundle, you can use this app, the one that I am using right here. You only have to put your project and then your driver email and password, and that's it. You will get in, and you can use it just like I am doing right now. Okay. So let's go in the, okay, I was showing you the support. This is the, I am going to tap this button. This is me using it. I will click support. And as you can see, it opens my uh, my support, my email app that I have by default right here. And then you can send the the message to the super admin, and they can help you with whatever the driver is working on. We also have here some other images. These are most for tutorials. You will see here the size, which is the image that you're working on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is it, okay? We go in colors. Colors is those are very basic. Here is in blue, but right now in the demo we have it pink, I think. So yeah, we have it pink in the demo. If we open it, it'll be all pink. So all those pink colors will change to blue if we install this one. Okay. Developers is the same for all the apps and the website. These are some files that you can use to change a little bit the layout of the app for the looks and everything. Pages is the same. Is to add something here in the sidebar for your drivers. Okay. If you want to add a page informing something else, then you can add it here. Build key stores. Key stores is the same as all the other key stores that you have in your different apps. As you can see here, you have the article on how to make them work, the key stores and everything, for Apple and Android. Here, when you are creating this, you must already have created the bundle and the package, just as I explained you before. Resources are the icons and the splash images, and as you can see, let me show you the let me show you the demo one so I can show you how it looks there. Here, let me show you really quick. This builder will look a little bit different because this is for administrators, okay? You won't see it that way. Don't get confused. Okay, so we are looking at that specific app, the one that we have on our device right here. And if we go in resources, As you can see, these are, oh, what is loading? These are the logos. iOS will cut it off in like a rounded corner, so you don't have to worry about that one. Notifications, these notifications are for Android. When some Android devices are blocked, it shows a little white notifications in the home screen. Okay, these are the splashes. So I don't remember if, yeah, this is not changed for iOS. Okay, because it is taking this one. That is why these are the splash images. So you have to make sure it looks very clean. However you want it to see. This the splash screen is the one that shows when the app is loading, as you can see here. Okay. The build demo is where you can test the app with just by building this staging website. Build apps is where you click the buttons for store and build pro and test the app with your QR code. Remember that you have to add uh, the certificates here very well. Your Apple and everything. Your Apple ID, team, etc. Everything. If you have the open source power up, you can download the full code of the app here, and that's it. You will be able to perform a lot of changes. I talk about what it does, the open source, in yesterday's class, so you can take a deeper look at it. Okay, we have covered everything in the builder. Now, when it comes to put the app in the stores, let me show you. Some of you guys are having trouble getting it rejected. I will explain you why right here. Uh, even we had that issue, so don't worry about it. Here in the app information, you have to add your privacy policy. If you don't have a privacy policy, you can put your ordering website URL, but maybe Apple will ask you like, "Hey, what is this? I mean, I'm asking for privacy policy." It's better if you have a privacy policy, okay? But you can put whatever domain you have. Um, this is the one that I want to show you. So here is the information that shows when the customer is downloading this app. Let me show you where exactly. When the customer gets here. Here, uh, here's where the customer in iOS clicks download and it put it in every device. And here's where you set that up. Here you have to put the images of the device, a very clean design and everything. You have to put some keywords, support URL if you have it, marketing URL if you have it, a description. The bundle that you upload when you click a store in your builder will show right here. So you can select it and let the App Store know which bundle is going to be installed on every iOS device. Icons is the same. Rating, you have to click in view. Here it'll say add rating or something like that, and then you click and you select a few steps there. I explain everything on this in another video that we just created. I will put everything in the description, by the way. And this is the most important, is the most important part. Here, guys, you can see uh, the delivery app will always require login. So you have to be very sure that you set up the driver's login and the driver's password, okay? And also explain here in notes that, hey, Apple, please use this project. Well, if your app is your app is going to be entirely yours with your brand and everything. So you have to put only the user's email and the user's password, okay? Make sure that it works, test it before sending it to review so you won't have any issues. It about, what was it? I think 2 weeks ago, Apple was asking for videos of your app working. So if you can put it here somehow, sorry, here as an attachment, a video of your app working, it'll make the publishing process much more easier for Apple to check, and then just put approve, and then you have it for your drivers to download everywhere. Okay. Um, what else do we have on the delivery app? Make sure to test it a lot. We have another video. Let me get it for you right now on how to use test flight, on how to test your apps using the QR code, and a lot of more things. Okay, so here I will show you the here. This is the one. I will also add in the description, and here you have how to test your apps when before publishing in the stores. Okay, those are very important. License key article. I will add everything in the description so you don't miss it. This video will get uploaded in the YouTube channel so you can see it whenever you like, and you don't have to worry about it. That is it. That is all you need to know to make your delivery app work. It can be delivered on Android and iPhone. Uh, Make sure your device, the device that you're working on as a driver, is not like 5 years ago or old. I mean, it has to be newer because the driver's location is very demanding in terms of the software of the devices. Okay, I mean one device 3 4 years old, it can work. It can work. Okay, uh, that is all you need to know about delivery app. Now I will jump into the questions. So now is the time, guys. Let's see. Write everything in the chat, please. I will help you with the chat. I found some bad reviews. Momo, well, I mean, everyone has like bad reviews and comments to say about every software company or basically anything. So if there are a few bad reviews, I recommend you to test the solution. I mean, you have a 15 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you get your money back and everything is good. We don't have any problems with that. Maybe those bad reviews were because the customer wasn't helping us sending their apps to launch, or they were a little bit rude or something like that. I don't really see those bad reviews because I like more, and we have more good reviews than bad reviews. So I recommend you to test it, to test the software and everything. Ever. Uh, I have been able to become a member of Google Play right away, but I haven't been able to get an Apple developer membership. Is that a common problem? Yes, ever. I mean, Apple has been always being very picky in terms of everything. I mean, they are very good at what they do, but they are a little bit picky. I would recommend you to send them another email saying, "Hey guys, what's happening with my account? I mean, I need it because I want to launch." Explain them everything. They are very helpful. So yeah, contact them one more time. Let's see. Actually, I remember it takes about 5 working days. How long does it takes for me to get my Apple developer account? Let's see, Ebert. Uh, if you already sent your dons and everything, let me see. I'm checking using Google. Mm, how does it say? How, 3 to 10 days it says, Ebert. So Let's just wait. If you have more things to do, uh, like in your platform, setting up your products, your businesses, schedules, delivery zones, everything, I recommend you to focus on that. In the meantime, you get the the um, the Apple developer account. Also, you can start creating your listings, like everything. So don't let that stop you. Keep it going, keep it going. If there is the final step that you have to get before launching, okay, we can wait for that and stress about it. But in the meantime, focus on all the other things. It'll take a few days. Okay. Momo, how many orders this software could manage? Well, right now, Momo, the software can manage. I mean, let me give you an example. Our biggest customer right now it's Alcia or Alsea, which is an enterprise company in all Latin America. We're working them with Starbucks, Chili's, working, and a lot of more big companies. They are getting over. I don't really have the number like on hand, but they handle about 10 orders, 10,000 orders in 3 days or something like that. So it can manage a lot of, I mean, all the orders that you will get. However, it's very important for you to know if you jump to getting like 5k 5,000 orders, you become a enterprise customer and your package is going to be different because you will require a instance for your service to work perfectly on your end, another kind of project, and a lot of changes uh, that will make you an enterprise customer. So I would recommend you to contact sales and ask about what package will uh, be better for you according to what you have prospected to be your business. Like to have more insight about how everything will work and everything before you get any packages. So because if you get a package and you get like a bad experience because we didn't explain you all this, it'll be well bad, and you will be one of those bad reviews that you just saw. Okay, get in touch with sales, and they will help you. Even with they will arrange a call with you, and they will guide you through all the process of how it works and how your platform will work, the perfect package, and everything. This is the email, Momo. Take a look and give it a try. Give it a try. Uh, Fabricio, so is the source code, no, sorry, is it simple to customize the solution locate it in Brazil? Yes, Fabricio, so wherever you are, as long as you have internet, you can use this solution. That is it. Wherever you are, you need internet and that's it. Don't worry about the rest. We even have some the servers instances over there in Sao Paulo, I think. So your platform will run smoothly. Okay. Is the source Momo? Another question: is the source code will be given to the customer? You will get the open source if you get the package that includes it. However, the open source it's the front end open source of the solution. Okay, you will get the codes, the HTML, JavaScript, CSS of the open source. Sorry, of the front end of your products, not the full code. I mean, it costs a few $1 million. We don't sell that one yet. Ever, I will send them one more email. Yeah, just please do that, Ever. Let's see if they answer. Fabricio, are there already customers in Brazil using your platform? Yes, they are. Yes, they are, Fabricio. However, let me see if I can show you one of those. Actually, let me send you this link where you can see a lot of example of our customers. Love it. Okay. So let's see here. I think I opened something by mistake. Let me see. Cyprus, Kenya, USA, UK, Thailand, USA, Costa Rica, Norway, Greece, Kosovo. This is Canada. These are a lot of our customers. You can check them up. You can ask them how is their business going. If any, if it is not showing here, it's because they didn't allow us to share the information. So there's nothing we can do there. I cannot see any Brazilian here, ever, but um, yes, there are a few. There are a few. Okay. I cannot share that information because of our privacy policy. But yeah, yes, guys. I don't know if you have any more questions. Mm, Yeah, okay, Ricardo. What do you think the Ordering Pro for Android will be ready? You should make a lesson talking about the Ordering Pro. Sure, I will prepare a lesson on the Ordering Pro. The Ordering Pro that is Ricardo talking about is a native iOS app. Let me show you. It is right here. Currently, we only have it for iOS, and no, and we are. It looks something like this. You can try the prototype here, or you can download it for iOS. However, on Android, we don't have a delivery date yet, Ricardo. I think at the end of the year. I will find out how is that going, and I will let you know for sure. Okay. I think I can. These are the prices. You can schedule an appointment with Alonso, and he will guide you through how to get it done. Okay. You can submit this form also to get a consultation for free. Uh, I will let you know very soon, Ricardo, when I'm talking about that. Okay. Ever, is the Pro included in Platinum? Is the Pro? The Pro app? No, no, no. That is an enterprise app. That is very big app. Big app. There's native. Try it on your iPhone. You can see the difference right away. You can tell it. You can tell it. It is. Oh, sorry. Here, explore package. Here is the enterprise pro technology for pro expectations, just like an enterprise will do. So this is the Ordering Pro. This is a website demo. Here are the prices, and as you can see here, iOS Ordering Pro, Enterprise has it, Platinum, which is one package before, does not have it, and a lot of more things. Okay, so it is not included ever. Sorry, I wasn't sharing. So here is the enterprise package. iOS is not included on enterprise, only in platinum. Okay, let's go back. Fabricio, can you send me a link to the page you already showed with Alonso? Could you send me a link? Which page with Alonso, Fabricio? Could you send me a link to the page with Alonso? I will send you the home page, the enterprise page, and the success. Well, I already sent you the success cases. This is the pricing for the enterprise package. This is the home page. And I already sent you the customer success cases. Okay, guys, that is all you needed to know about the delivery app. And I answered a few more questions. Um, I remind you to send me all of your suggestions, please. The suggestions are very important for me to know what do you want me to talk about in the future. Let me send you the link. University. In this page that I'm going to send you right now, you will see at the bottom that there is a field where you can submit your suggestions. Also, You can submit them just by using this URL. I will let me send you properly. This one I will send it to you. Please write your suggestions here. That is very helpful for me to keep on giving you good content. And we have another question, Jose Antonio. Hi, Mauricio. I'm searching for delivery service in Mexico. I'm Guadalajara, by the way. Which can connect API via API to my ordering system. Do you know some? Well, Jose Antonio, yes, I do. We can connect to your delivery to your ordering system via API. Actually, our API is fully documented. I would recommend you to take a look at the documentation that we have on the API. I will send it to you. Check this out, Jose Antonio. Check out the documentation and also contact sales at ordering.co. If you have, I'm sure you have specific questions about the system, they will be happy to get some answers about how to connect your ordering system with our delivery software and everything. Okay, using API, endpoints, calls, everything. If you know something about documentation on APIs, take a look at the link I sent you, and then you're set to go. Okay, guys, I think I will give you one more minute for questions. If there's no questions, we can wrap today's class up. Thank you very much all for being here. If you have any more questions, now is the time. I think there are no questions. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you get informed whenever we are going live. This video will get uploaded in the YouTube channel, so you can see it anytime, anywhere, any place, anyone. Thank you all very much for being here. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, same guide. Me, I'll be teaching you something else tomorrow about ordering and how to make it the most of it. Do not forget to subscribe, as I already said, and see you tomorrow, guys. Don't forget to click a like if you like the video. If not dislike it. Don't dislike it. Just leave it like that. Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.